Teenagers Megan and Trevor are divided about this 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom home they purchased 7 years ago.
It just doesn't work. In this house, we have a lot of wasted space with a mixture of lack of storage. We went from 2 people in our 20s with a huge house to 5 people with a lot of stuff. Because of the structure of our house, they can see all of the different flooring. The front hall closet is a joke. The closet that is so full, it's actually humorous, like you're waiting for it to explode. I hate our kitchen. We have a pole in our kitchen right in the way of everything. And I'm sitting, anyone wants to get up, you are into the island. We also have this fireplace. It does not work. If we could have a bathroom for our children so that all 5 of us are not sharing.
I've done an evaluation on your home, and I've looked at the neighborhood, I've looked at what's for sale. Current value is $850,000. What is the must-have list to get you out of this house?
Well, I need a spacious kitchen, because I'm the cook. 4 bedrooms, an ensuite bathroom with a walk-in closet.
Okay.
And must-have finished basement.
What is the budget for the new house?
$925,000.
Take a deep breath, put yourself together, and then ask.
Are you trying to set me up or something?
Well, it's an
Yes.
easy call.
Okay, so but you do realize that that's not realistic given this neighborhood.
Of course.
You tell me, please, what your must-haves are for me to convince you this is a home that you guys can stay in.
Renovate and open up the kitchen. New flooring throughout the whole main floor. Renovate the upstairs kids' hallway bathroom. Create more storage for the coats, for the shoes, for the toys, so if there's somewhere to put it all, so it's not in every single room in our house.
What's my budget?
$65,000.
$65,000. Okay, now it's my turn.
Okay, go ahead.
Really? $65,000?
That's how much I'm willing to put into a house that I don't like.
I really do think I can work on this house so that it functions the way you need it to, and you, when I'm all done, will love it.
See, because I still think it's going to be missing some elements you asked me for.
Like space.
Like space.
Yeah.
So when I find you that perfect house, the only thing you're going to say about this one is list it.
I agree.
Not one to be outdone, David immediately starts pounding the pavement for his search, and Hilary meets construction manager Rob at the house to get her reno underway.
So this kitchen gets completely demolished, gone, like it never was here.
We do some investigation on that, because if it's staying, it's gonna be cheap. If that's moving, we need to talk about that.
I don't mind that fireplace being there because it's actually a logical, nice place for it, but apparently it overheats so badly. We're going to be putting in new hardwood throughout.
Yep.
This closet, demolished, gone.
So what's my budget?
All right, we got $65,000.
That's not enough money.
Exactly.
You need a kitchen, flooring, move a fireplace around, everything for $65. What was this?
This was a desk with a chair.
Chair coming out here?
Yeah.
Fire hazard.
More of your favorite tile. I really would like to see a new vanity. I would like to see new tile on the floor and in the tub shower. And that's it.
All for $65K.
This house is phenomenal. I don't care what Hilary does to their house. From top to bottom, it is not going to look like this. 4 great bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, incredible open concept main floor. It's got a beautiful main bedroom with 2 walk-in closets. This is it as far as I can tell. Have a look inside.
Wow.
All right.
This is quite the entryway, huh?
Yes. Quite the organized entryway. Okay.
Yeah, okay. Nice way. I agree. It is quite spacious.
So this is your eat-in kitchen, family room combination with the open concept plan that you asked me for.
I like how this is all together, because no matter what happens, this isn't going to be together at our place.
Let's go have a look at the backyard.
Beautiful. Oh, very nice.
Beautifully manicured. Obviously, the pool would not be here,
Right.
so you would have more grass if you wanted to, or you could put a pool in. And here you have
Oh, nice.
bathroom number 1 up here. This would be your guest bathroom and kids' bathroom.
Wow. It's like an oasis. It's beautiful.
I'm gonna have you go over there and open that door, and I'm gonna have you go over there and open that door.
All right.
See ya. Ready?
Why would you have your clothes together when you can have them separate?
Wow.
Have a look.
Wow.
Whoa.
Oh my goodness.
And the tub is crazy.
Yeah.
I actually love the glass. I love the blue.
Yeah.
I like it. Sure. I didn't mean to say it. I like it. It's okay. It's okay.
Ooh. Oh, really finished basement.
Really finished.
It's nice. I'm just worried that we might be thinking over our budgets.
What do you think this house is listed at?
$1 million.
$1,050,000.
This house is listed at $1.3 million.
Okay.
It's a call
Yes.
that you guys have to make.
That's a huge number for us, not in our reach at the moment.
Demolition begins on Megan and Trevor's house with carpet being ripped up, existing flooring removed, and the front hall closet being demolished.
Wow.
Whoa.
How does it feel? Different, right?
Different.
Very different.
Very different.
Let's talk about this fireplace. There is really nothing to save, nothing that we can do to make it into a working, safe fireplace. It's just ancient and bad. If you did say, no, I really do want a new fireplace, you could have it, but it's costly. So you're looking at around $5,000 over and above your budget. This is actually a really important element of structure for your house, as in holding up your house. This can be removed. Conservatively, I have been told between $7,000 and $8,000.
Above budget. Above what we've already
We're
given.
only talking about budget, otherwise I would not be talking about it.
That's a lot of money. So either we dish out more, or we keep the pole in the middle of our house that makes it less functioning. It's something that I can't picture being happy with in the end.
I will find a way for this to not feel as though it's just this support in the middle of your house where you don't want it, because it will literally become part of the whole function of the kitchen.
We'll see.
We are 40 minutes north from their house. They did say I could look almost anywhere. This house is 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms. Downstairs, it's got a finished basement. It's got an incredible open concept main floor that they will never have at their house. They're gonna like that. Come on in.
Wow. Love the high ceilings.
Just makes everything feel much nicer.
Yes.
What I really want you to see is this.
Wow.
Beautiful dining room, family room, eat-in kitchen combination.
Wow.
Tons of natural light, the island, cupboards galore. So, what do you think?
It's gorgeous.
All right, let's go have a look at the backyard.
Okay. Wow.
It's huge.
It's big.
So, you've got a
interesting.
huge yard with tons of potential. This has got to be like twice the size of your lot?
It's big.
Okay.
It's nice. It's big.
You've got a separate entrance to
I
the lower
know,
level.
I just saw that.
Which is a whole lot of awesome.
Yeah.
So we're starting
That's
to
nice.
see a bunch of things that really you're not gonna get at home. The finished basement.
Ooh.
Obviously you have a bathroom. Just a really nicely finished space
Yeah.
for anybody. I mean, it's a great hangout for your kids.
Yes.
Right?
Yep. Do you feel like you're in a basement right now? I don't,
I
honestly.
don't. Yeah, I think it's a door.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It does make a difference.
Yeah. Okay, head upstairs.
Very nice.
So this is your kids' bathroom.
Okay, perfect. And it has a tub, which we want for them.
Yeah. This is the smallest of the 3 bedrooms.
It's still bigger than the smallest room at our house.
Definitely not.
Yes, it is.
No way. Who are you gonna tell gets this room?
I'll take it at this point if we get to move here.
Okay.
Okay?
All right,
Sounds good to me.
let's go see the main bedroom. Nice big
Nice.
windows, lots of natural light.
It's beautiful.
Ours is way better than this, to be honest.
Our
with you.
bedroom?
Yeah.
Why?
Well, we have that massive new window in ours.
Okay.
I think ours is even bigger than this.
Good sized bathroom with everything that you need.
Very nice. Big, separate bath, shower.
We just finished our bathroom exactly the way we wanted it.
Yes, you have done yours. However, if you look at this house so far, overall, it's delivering more than what you currently have.
This is what we were looking for.
What do you think this house is listed at, Trevor?
$1.3 million.
Okay. I'd say $1.2 million.
This house is listed at $1,049,000.
Wow.
Wow.
Which I know is $124,000 over your budget. However, if you look at what you're getting, I mean, you're getting more
Right.
for the dollar.
That is a nice shock for this house.
Yeah. Are we done looking at houses?
Well, we'll still see Hilary's house, our house.
Hilary's work is complete. She hopes she's managed to win over Megan with the couple's newly renovated home.
Well, the day has come.
Hello.
Nice to see you.
Nice to
So
see
excited.
you. So excited.
You're gonna love it. Let's
Okay.
go.
Does it look like our house?
No, it doesn't at all.
I love, I'm speechless.
Wow.
This is beautiful.
You had a closet that was at the bottom of the stairs, which was a pinch point. So that was our first change, which you've already seen.
Yeah.
And then, of course, we've got storage here. You've got more shelving here.
Aww.
I love it. I love the colors. And it's just, I can see them in here playing and being happy.
The landing, that's where you had your desk.
That is where I have my desk.
Now you have a little area which has got drawers in it, so there's still storage in it. That non-functioning, pokey little fireplace, dark room
Yeah.
is now this,
It's beautiful.
isn't it?
Yeah.
It is beautiful. The amount of light coming in, it's just being able to see the whole backyard, it's amazing. That's beautiful.
And look, I got rid of the post.
The pole.
The pole is gone.
There is your pole buried, and it just looks as though it should be there.
Right.
Yeah, we will never speak of the pole again.
Thank you. This kitchen now has storage, way more than you had.
Right.
Yes.
Beauty,
Yeah.
function, and you now have an area where you can actually seat a whole lot of people by using the bench.
Wow. Oh, it's
goodness.
so nice.
Wow. Oh my goodness.
How much easier is it going to be to bathe them?
Yep.
We have 2 bathrooms upstairs.
There you go.
We've got function on the main floor. We've got function in the bathroom.
Yes.
Obviously, we had the challenge of it being a small house
Right.
and creating function within it.
That's the struggle. It is beautiful. It's still small.
So let's talk about the house we looked at.
Yes.
I don't know if you guys remember your first reaction when you walked in.
Spacious, bright, open.
A great entry
Yes.
into that house.
I remember.
Then you have the main area. That huge, completely
Huge.
open concept, eat-in kitchen, living room, family room combination. I mean, it's about as open as it gets. Was there anything wrong with that area?
No. It was definitely a nice space for us.
Really, overall, a house sort of takes you beyond where this house can go. You have a decision to make, but before you make that decision, I have some information for you.
Okay.
That is now the current value of your home with the renovation that has been done.
Okay.
So the move north is very viable.
The pre-renovation value of their home was $850,000, with a renovation budget of $65,000. The new value of their home is $950,000, for an increase of $100,000.
Countertop is beautiful.
I know.
Everything is beautiful.
I think she's checked off everything we asked. There's storage, there's functionality.
So I see the pillar's still here.
Oh, come on. If you did not know that there was a pillar there.
It works, it works. I'm joking.
I think I'm having a hard time with the emotional aspect of the house while realizing the space is never going to happen here.
It went about probably 35 minutes north of here.
A budget?
Well, the budget went north also.
We gotta make a decision.
I know, we have to make a choice.
All right, you ready?
No.
Decision made?
Yes.
Yes.
And? Are you going to love it?
Or are you going to list it?
We are going to list it.
Wow.
So exciting. I know, I
know, it's true.
Where it is and what it had and taking you further north, just that it worked out is amazing.
It was a struggle for me to...
Listen, I know it was a struggle for you. I had a hard time getting any compliments out of
Yes.
you.
Here, you did a great job opening it up and making it spacious, but there's more space there. I can see the future.
It's really all about you landing somewhere that you want to be and are going to be happy. So congratulations.